Attention marketers, want extra traffic and more profits during this pandemic time? As you probably already know that paid traffic is fast, converts, and you can get it going in hours, not days. Every marketer worth their salt knows about Google Ads, but many of them overlook Microsoft Ads, formerly Bing Ads, and its unique network of users. But Microsoft Advertising presents a fantastic opportunity to generate leads at a relatively lower cost, and that's something all advertisers should take note of. Microsoft Ads is Microsoft's self-serve advertising platform that allows advertisers to build campaigns and target users across Microsoft's search and audience network. Although it started off small, Microsoft's search engine has continued to grow in Google's shadow, and now, according to Comscore, Bing and its partners make up a combined 39% of the U.S. desktop search market. In fact, if you're running a paid ads campaign, it could be a mistake to ignore Bing and all the possibilities it can offer you. Depending on what you're selling and who you're targeting, Bing could be the missing piece of the puzzle for your marketing strategy. But the problem is, you can't just throw up an ad and expect to be in the profit. Although Microsoft Ads is a very user-friendly platform, there are some details that you must pay attention to if you want to see success. If you do things wrong, you could find yourself wasting a lot of time and even losing money. But if you do things the right way, you can find yourself raking in profits like crazy, in many cases within hours. And to help you get started, we take pride in presenting Microsoft Ads Training Kit, a complete step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to get started with Microsoft Ads and optimize your campaigns for maximum